So, as you can see, the roots we applied previously. Her natural roots is more like 6, but we used the number 4 and 664 with eclectic. So, number 4 and 664. We used it. On the highlight, we're using the no dust, the Fromage no dust with 25 volt. Right now, sometimes we like to make some changes. Huh? How much should I cut off? Should I keep this length? Yeah? Yeah. And I'll put in this length here, like this. Like that. It's already looking nice. Look at that. Doesn't it look amazing? Huh? Yeah. Look good, isn't it? Yeah. That's look good. I like it. So we come in to the highlight. Now, if you want to make, can you move over there? Can you move over there? Thank you very much. If we're gonna make some highlights, some easy steps, very quick and very easy. Just gonna go a couple of foils. Do you think I can hold it with one hand and one hand big? Yeah, just like that. Because the roots color already we applied it. Just go mid-length and then soft, and that will create balayage effect. And melting the color at same times is lifting. So you see it? I'm not doing too many foils, only a few foils. Darling, can you find it? Fine. There. No, you can put the camera over there. You can put it in front of me. And then we go in like this.
Number 1, number 2. Forward to 535, okay?
I have put the structure treatment as well. It's same as Olaplex. Carry. I need your help on. Oh. So we put in this one. Now overall, when we finish the hair, it's going to look amazing, but so as you can see, I'm doing the whole color in front of you, and it's absolutely going to look amazing. maybe it does look like a highlight, but actually it creates balayage effect. Dear darling, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye. What think my voice, Michaela? Amazing, isn't it? Absolutely. Hello.
Hi. Okay.
Thank you. You're not commenting about my voice?
Young words.
Yeah. It's that you are
What is the word exactly?
you are the only person who really noticed about my voice. Well done. I'm appreciating. So such an honor when people that know about your talent. Roger never noticed it, you know. Terrible, isn't it? Hello. Yes, yes. So we have, I'm sure it's many people that are busy this Saturday, this Friday, because it's Christmas week. But guys, I'll tell you what, it's busy for everybody. For everybody. Personally, I don't like to fold the foils because it's giving like kind of make the foils a bit more the hair like leaving the line inside of the color. So if you don't fold it, it makes more smooth. You know, like a band this is created. Yeah, this way you don't do anything. So everything's perfect. So who's here now? Salado de Lima, gracias. رائدة حريمة عواد هاي أهلا وسهلا فيكي رائدة. So we go in here. رائدة من وين انتي؟ رائدة رائدة من الدول العربية ولا من السعودية من الكويت من الجزائر من تونس. So leave it. Today, so far, we've done so many amazing colours. With the Framazy colours is nothing's impossible. Everything you can achieve anything. They have different level of the bleach, and especially with the product, you can do a lot of treatment after as well to give that nice and shine and smooth to the hair. It's make the hair extra shine, especially the blonde hair is really good. Now I'm gonna go on here. As you can see, I'm applying the tint on the hair. Main محمد يوسف تسلم ايديك يا فنان شكرا كثير محمد يوسف لين روحي
Thank you. See that right? See you later.
See you mate
Yeah.
So if you ask why am I using the tint on the roots and applying the bleach, because when you apply the tint it will slow down the bleach, it wouldn't lift. So when the rest of the hairs is lifting the bleach, it will make a nice blend, it will make nice melting together. That's why it looks much better.
Alright? Okay? There you go, Mama. Thank you very much. Alright? I'll go to the hair now. Okay. Have you got jackets? Coat? No.
There we go, that's done. Now we're gonna wait for around like half an hour. After half an hour will be everything is done perfectly. So the color it does slow down the bleach, especially the bleach in Formosa. We have the B family, we have a diamond, we have nodus, we have a cream, and we have a B clay lightener. The B clay lightener is ammonia free, is very very strong, and B diamond is 8 and plus, is size 9. It's very very good bleach, by the way. It's nodus, especially this is for fragile hair, for fine hair, for pre-bleached hair, for color correction. So I use the nodus, and also you have a cream, and which is you can use on the scalp. You can use freehand as well. You can use in the foils, but it's very very gentle, but it's very powerful as well. I wouldn't recommend inside the foils because it's very creamy. It can become like a liquid. So the color, I use the tint, and that tint it will create beautiful melt when you use the roots first and then you apply the bleach, and it make perfect nice balayage. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. If you have any question meantime, please write down, I will answer your question. Thank you. Ciao.